Hello everyone, Dr. Guillemette here, and I just wanted to bring you this video about making dot plots in Excel. Dot plots are a nice visualization tool. You do still see them in the literature and in mainstream media, and so I wanted to show you all how to do it. And as I started looking at how people were making the dot plots, I noticed that a lot of them were using the chart method and taking a bar chart or something like that and like modifying the bars to look like dots. And it was terrible and it was complicated and I didn't like it. But these guys over at Vertex 42 Excel Articles Dotplot, if you download the spreadsheet, you'll be able to link to it. They did this really beautifully simple thing with the repeat function, and that's what I want to show you today. So I do love Superman. He's a great character, and so I was thinking, like, how many conflicts per week would Superman have? Right now, I made this data up. I didn't actually look at a whole bunch of comics and try and figure it out. I'm just using this for illustrative purposes. But let's pretend that one conflict, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 conflicts in a week, and then we have the frequency results here, and we want to make a dot plot of this thing, right? So the first thing that we're going to use is we're going to use the transpose function, and what I want to do is I want to transpose the actual values to create my sort of x-axis right here, right? So I've got these. So some formatting from earlier, and you're going to see this, is that this was, I'm going to change the alignment. So you got the values here, right? Now, what I also need to do is I'm going to transpose the frequencies underneath, and that is so I can make use of the power of Excel and the copy-paste function, right? Now, here is the secret sauce. On the dot axis, right, what I actually want to do is I want to use this repeat function that gives a text output the number of times that you tell it. And so the text that I'm going to use here is just the really simple multiply star shift 8. And I have to put it in parentheses because it is text, and otherwise the function gets confused, right? And then I'm going to click the comma, and then I need the number of times. And this is why we put the frequency underneath. I'm going to click on the frequency underneath for the number of times. Now, it's 3, right? But it's flat, and so I want to do two things here. I actually want to right-click, format the cell, and make the alignment vertical. So the alignment has to be vertical like this and not horizontal. And you'll notice it makes it a little higher. And then what I want to do is I just kind of want to merge a few of these cells together so that I don't have to mess with the height of all the rest of my things. So I got this nice area here. The merge and the alignment and the frequency value are all going to copy over as I drag this off to the right. Alright, and so you'll see that alignment, that merging all the way across, and now you have this beautiful dot plot of these values on the x-axis given the frequencies underneath. And that makes me really happy. Now, you don't have to do it with just values. Again, as I scroll past, big thank you to Vertex 42 and their dot plot explanation. I felt like they just did the best job with this. So I'm going to delete this to show you how I did it. Okay, so here I actually have the villains. Now, which villains did he fight? He fought Lex Luthor, and Amazo, and Metallo, and Brainiac, and Parasite. And so maybe I have this qualitative data here, and I want to do it this way. And so I can totally do that. So what I'm going to do, again, is the transpose function. And I can go ahead and transpose my villains. I think I want to do it like this, right? And so each one of those is there. If you want to make these a little wider so that Lex Luthor looks a little better and the Amazo and stuff, there we go, perfect. So now we have each of those. Again, I need the transpose function for my frequencies so that those are underneath. So that now, when I do the dot axis and I do the repeat function, and again, it's the REPT function, and you can put whatever you want in here, right? I could insert a symbol, right? Oh, it doesn't like it because I'm already in here. Let's see. Insert symbol. And so let's say that we wanted something fun. Oh, this dot right here, right? We actually wanted a bullet dot, right? I've got that. Okay. So what we could do is equals repeat, right? Now, oops. I'm going to copy that and just paste it in. There's the 3. The alignment is already vertical. I drag it down, and now you actually have dots. So I take the symbol, paste it into a cell, and then I can paste it in here. There might be a more efficient way to do that, but you know, in a less than 7-minute video, this is a great way to do it. So that is how I would recommend doing a dot plot with quantitative and qualitative data in Excel using the repeat function. Again, big shout out to Vertex 42 for the insight. If you got something out of this video, that makes me happy. Please like and subscribe to keep updated on all my new videos as they come out.